Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on notify on every new message in conversation on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you will find notification settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find notify on every new message in conversation. Click on it like this, and that's it. It will be turned on. That's how to turn on notify on every new message in conversations, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.